Morning we were at 10, now it's going below 6. All right, open. Big soak over here on IMV traders. That's a big soak, 200K. Dump Netflix too fast.
Look at ECOR.
Soak over here on the NRX as well. See if we have setups coming.
ECOR pushing.
Only sellers right now on the NRX. Red tape.
Click it. 2.
Big
Be
dump
very careful.
NRX. Big dump Netflix.
Being very careful on this. If it pushes, I'm out. So I got 2 here.
Dumping here, red on IMD. So they all had a big pre-market and then started to dump. The NRX, they're using that dilution they have.
Tick up. I'm going to cover half on the J lines, 187.
More selling, very happy over here, the NRX.
I'm going to cover hotkey out here. Okay, got out here. And now I'm going to break even. I got a 198 average, so I'm right here. I'm just going to plot a line out just to make sure. 198 average here.
Some curl, pop over here in Netflix.
So literally,
let's
I'm
look at the
missing
J
2.
lines.
So if we crack over this 2 here, I'm out. Okay. I'm getting ready to hotkey out if ever this thing pops. Come on, just die.
More fail on IMD. More fail on the NRX. So the NRX, less target, 440. Some pop on myth. Dump on EQ. Remember they have a big
85,
EQ.
sorry. Going 87, sorry. I'm talking in equal sim time, sorry. Okay, so my next target would be 177 if we crack here. 177. I'm in very small, very small. So
There's above 1 minute J line traders.
my size, let's see.
Netflix at J lines.
No,
Let's look.
my size. No, I need more meat. We're sitting on the 200 moving average here, so really not my setup. I need more range on that. Babe, can you come get this, or Roscoe, hello? Bonjour. Oui, oui, oui. Puis-je garder la ligne pour une petite seconde? Merci.
Some bounce over here, IMV. Netflix first target 510. Risk 520. Always have your tick or 33 or 50. You can see perfect trend line break over here on Netflix for that J-line rejection. Now put your stop break even 517, which is our entry area. Miss waiting. IMV push.
We covered half here on the J lines at 188, 189. So, waiting. I'm going hotkey out if we punch over this here. Over my entry. I'm going to take a
NRX coming to target.
scratch
I'm
on
gonna
it.
cover my small pre-market.
Sorry, I'm going to go into if this
Nothing
thing
crazy,
pops
nothing
more
big.
over this level here, I will be out. I'm going to see if it's going to want to retest here.
Miss trend line break over here. If you look at your tick chart,
176, and I'm going to break even if it cuts over 2.
fail IMV traders, trend break.
Okay, so it's 937. It needs to fail here.
We're still waiting. Miz over here. Netflix break even over here. You see this curl. Don't risk more than break even. IMV waiting for the J lines, so not taking on this trend break over here. J lines are 680, 690, even VWAP over there. Icon almost to target. You're gonna have a position. What I'm looking is Miz for extension short, Netflix for another short, IMV for pop to J lines and short. Remember, the XRT is not a small cap, right? The XRT is a big cap, so it moves as a big cap. Netflix rejected 518. Another trend break over here. Not in anymore. traders. Look, IMV over here, failing. After that trend line break, lower high, but was waiting a little bit higher at the J lines. Over here, that's what reversing.
So what I did is I covered, well, I got a shitty fill here on my half, so I got filled here at 189. Right then and there, I put my stop to break even. I got a 198 average up here. And I'm just aiming for this low of day here, this low of pre-market. Easy peasy, nothing sick.
Miss pushes to this VWAP and rejection over here. So above we have this resistance 160, 155, right? So this is good for a scalp over here. Remember, Rico, it's not first day, it's second day, right?
Combien de fois? Je pense qu'on a 12 par paquet. Quatre ou 5. Ok, je vais envoyer qu'est-ce qu'on a. Donc 5 boîtes, sticky. Parfait, mais est-ce que tu veux d'autre chose? Excellent, je vais prendre le téléphone, ça fait au bureau. 506 353.
So I'm looking at 3 charts right now.
Parfait, je m'en occupe de vous.
IMV.
Merci, bye bye.
Another curl over here, IMV.
Okay, so I'm letting this rock as soon as we start staying under this well, theoretically it's a day 2 setup, so we should be looking at this 3-minute here. So this is going to be my guide. If this thing pops back over the J lines here and technically over this 190 area, 191, I'm considering on cutting my my trade in the money. So I'm just going to cut 190. So
I'll do 145 over here on Miz.
basically,
So
I
they're
took a
trying
short
to
here,
hold their
got a
support,
198
and that
average
algo
here,
is exactly over here.
covered
the
some
J-line.
here on the J lines, and now I'm looking for this target here, low of day, right here. Let's see.
IMV curling up traders. Higher lows over here, so wait to see J-lines push on IMV. big volume over here. Wait for a VWAP and J-line rejection. If we start having rejection over here below 670, fast scalp short. We'll start break even at 670.
Let's go. Got some selling here. Come to daddy. Shorted up here, 198, $2. Took some profit here on the J lines, pay myself on the way down, and I got my final target here, 178. So let's go.
It's holding support 640. In order to see this follow through over here to the downside, you need a 640 breakdown.
Okay, so ECOR shorted here, the 2, got to fill 198. Covered half here on the J lines here, pay myself on the way down. And now I'm just waiting for this low of pre-market here. I got an order here, 178. I want to be between these two lines here.
620.
So if we get a dip,
Cover
boom,
more.
I will be out of this trade in profit.
Support out at 6. So over here you can see two things on IMB. Why this is the lowest risk area to trade short. Because you have VWAP and you have over here IMB. Wait for your trend break. You can see perfectly how it works on bookmap, right? And then over here you take your short. So short SR 670.
Okay, so I
risk
have
in
a
680.
short here
at
on
590.
ECOR.
That is the only A plus setup trade
I
of
took
this
half
entire
profits here at
chart.
198. Well, I took
So this is what I mean. Wait for your time, your entry, discipline, blah, blah, blah. You have to wait for this situation. All right?
Okay, so I took a short here, day 2 setup here. I got a short of the 2 lines, so I got filled at 198, 199. Took profit here on the J lines, paid myself on the way down, and now I'm looking for this target here.
Take a short. That's it.
178.
Well done, Matt. Well done. Who took
There we
it?
go. Done. Out of the trade. Thank you. Thank you, Small Cap Room. Thank you, Jay.
Thank you, Bud.
Thank you, everyone.
Always showing. Very helpful for members. Beautiful way how to scale and beautiful. Well done, Bud. Let's see what we. Wow, we totally missed that. Look.
There we go. It's probably going to bounce there, but I'm all out. I'm good with it. I'm really, really good with it. I could have aimed for this low of pre-market, which is probably going to go there, but hey, what do you want? I'm not perfect.
Big sell-off right now on IMV. So everybody who bought on the breakout of VWAP is underwater. You see? Look over here how bookmap really helps these traders. With a trend line break, this lower high over here, this lower high over here, It gives you the confirmation of that lower high. And now you're looking for the lows. So from a 10 cents, maybe 12 cents stop trade, now you have a return of 7-8 times more.
Hey, Vudur, hey. Okay, yeah.
So we were looking at ECOR. I don't think I need to explain more. Said already pre-market, looking for a pop above 3-minute J lines, trend line break. This is our 3-minute J lines push. Says short 2 to 10, risking 220s. Now cover big chunks of your position, 160s. Last target is 160 traders, right? 160. So cover over here, ECOR will bounce. 100 EMA, 15 minutes. And plan was very clear. Looking for a push 210, risking a stuffing at 220s. That's it. Above 3-minute J line, same usual setup. When you have a gap up, use your trend line break. That's it. If you use a tick chart, even better. Yeah, halted.
Sorry about that. I'm use the coffee. Just plotting out my trade here. I may have managed this a bit too microscopically. Should have held.
So let's see in the meantime over here. Oh, let's see Max. Oh, beautiful short buddy on ECOR. Day 2 over here, perfect cover. Snagey. Short and rejection on the J lines, good. Up 6,000 for the day, VNRX, beautiful. Smokey likes to take all these pre-market and then take the fader. Well done. And well done, Gemma, over here. Well done, Sean, baby. Well done. All right, so what to expect on IMB over here when it opens again? More unwind. All right. Look for this 560, 550 support crack, and only short. So rescale, right? Recycle your shares. Sorry. At the J lines. Netflix, I didn't take the second one. Trend break, so pattern. Trend break over here. J lines curl down. See this? Curl down. All right, open 550. They're dumping below. Let's see if they reclaim and curl up. for now, very heavy. So this is your line, all right? This over here. Look for that 580. We want that below 580. Again, halted. No. Okay, 580, 580, 580. Seems they want to curl it. Would like to see this 580 rejection. Boom. Again, 30, 40 cents down. Generally, they do like that. They retest that resistance. So this area over here, 580, and then they dump it again. Let's see. This is the level. All right. This is the level, 580. They're rejecting this 580. And that's your 30, 40 cents coming. Yes. Same usual stuff. Same usual stuff. You see it? Very predictable. 580, they're gonna retest it, and then you can cover more over here on the wash. So it's just like knowing what's happening over here, right? Same usual setup over and over. Matt, go to sleep, please. Otherwise, pay pizza, do something. Traders, remember, when you are winning 2K, 1K, $200, don't like, it's nice you post, but don't get unfocused, all right? Because the market can reverse any single second, or from your 2K, you can make 5K. All right, like Pedro yesterday, he traded perfectly Tesla long, and he left over there half of his position. It's normal, all right? So always focus until you go away from your office. And I tell this because often we leave profits over there. I would say screen sharing saw this like a lot. And especially the confirmation. They go over there, they soak it, boom. And I explained this in the one-on-one tape reading webinar. If you want to learn tape, take it. It's exactly this stuff that I teach over there. But
I could have aimed for this low of pre-market, which is probably going to go there, but hey, what do you want? I'm not perfect.
yes, Nate, yes. So IMV, unless we have crazy volume coming, there's no reason to think of a reversal. And target will be 420, 430. What I think is that we will have another push, maybe 580 or even 6. All right. So always trail over here. 520 would be my level to trail. If we go above, I will trail everything and then re-short it into the 6 till you have bookmap that does this. So you see this curl down over here. You risk this level. It's doing this pattern all morning. I mean, over here, look bad. Over here, over here, over here, over here, right? So we'll cover this in 30 minutes for the recap.
So I took a short here, day 2 setup here. I got a one short the 2 lines. I filled at 198, 199. Took profit here on the J lines, paid myself on the way down. And now I'm looking for this target here, 178. So there we go, done. Out of the trade. Thank you small cap room. Thank you Jay. Thank you everyone. Okay, so 198, 199. Took profit here on the J lines, paid myself on the way down. And now I'm looking for
all right, so they're finding some support over here at 490. You see these two bars over here, traders?
There we go. Done. Out of the trade.
They're like having higher lows, all right? So attempt now for this 520. We'll see how it behaves over there. They're having one big bar, inside bar, crack. One big bar, inside bar, and now we'll see or retest 520 rejection or breakdown on this 5. Alright, let's go back over here, Netflix, Apple. Right, 520 over here, Snazy, let's see. Okay, this will be my trail over here. It was about 520. Now you have possibility that we go back up to this 570, 580. You can always re-enter, but I prefer locking in and re-enter later. It's all green for now. They're putting it out with 530. They're trying to push it down with a solid, you see it? Still green, some red selling more. And crack again below 520. So looking, personally, my bear over here, and me, we're looking for this 580, maybe 6. I want to see to short the J lines. That's the point, but that's the point.